Good morning, dear students. Today we start our new chapter, the Caucus Race. In the beginning of the chapter, you can see some names of different races. We have to match the names of these races to the pictures given. First one is regatta. It's a series of boat races. The term regatta means contest. Typically, it describes racing events of rowed or sailed watercrafts. Some powerboat series are also called regatta. Second one is derby. It's a type of horse race. It is limited to 3-year-old horses. Third one is rally. Rally is a form of motorsport that taken place on public or private roads with modified product or specially built road legal cars. Fourth one is marathon. It's a long distance race with an official distance 42.195 kilometers, usually run as a road race. Last one is relay. Relay is a type of running race in which athletes compete as a team rather than individuals. Each portion runs by different members in the same team and they will pass some stick-like object known as baton. We usually conduct relays in a sports day. You might have seen it. Now, let's get into our chapter. Now we learn about some races. Have you ever heard of a caucus race? This play is about caucus race. Caucus race is a race in which everybody wins. This play, the caucus race, is an extract from Alice in Wonderland. You all must have read the story of Alice or might have seen cartoons of Alice in Wonderland. Let's read the play. Some characters' names are given. They are Alice, Lori, Dodo, Mouse, Canary and Lizard. Lori, Dodo and Canary are birds. Dodo is a kind of bird now no longer alive. Lori, Dodo and Canary, these are birds. Mouse and lizard, you know mouse and lizard. So, 6 characters are in the play. Alice, Lori, Dodo, Mouse, Canary and lizard. Narrator. Narrator is the person who is telling the story. Have you met Alice before? Narrator is asking us, have you met Alice before? Today, we are going to meet her and hear about a wonderful adventure she had in Wonderland. Now, Alice enters on the stage. When narrator is telling about Alice, Alice enters on the stage. Narrator, oh, hello Alice. Let's start our story at the beginning. Alice started telling her story. One day, I was beginning to get very tired of sitting by my sister on the river bank and of having nothing to do when suddenly a white rabbit with pink eyes ran close by me. She was sitting on the river bank. River bank means the land of the edge of the river. She was sitting there, then one white rabbit with pink eyes ran close by her. Close by me, saying to itself, oh dear, I shall be late. I followed the rabbit down its hole. And what a fall I had! Down. Alice followed the rabbit and she fell down It was a big fall. I thought the fall would never come to an end. She thought the fall would never come to an end. It was a big fall. Then I found myself in a long hallway, but the doors were all shut. She reached in a big long hallway and all the doors were shut. I looked through the window and saw a beautiful garden with colorful flowers. Alice looked through the window and she saw a beautiful garden with colorful flowers. There was a golden key on a three-legged table, but the doorway was too small for me to enter. Three-legged table means table with three legs. There was a golden key on the table, but the doorway was too small for Alice to enter. I found a little bottle labeled "Drink me." She found a little bottle. It was written "Drink me" on the bottle. Since the bottle did not say poison, so what did she do? She drank it. I took a sip. It tasted like custard and pineapple and hot buttered toast all at once. The liquid was too tasty. She felt it tasted like custard and pineapple and hot buttered toast all at once. Now I was the right size to go through the door into the garden. Now, when she drank it, she became too small to enter into the door. Read up to here. I hope all of you understood up to here. Tomorrow we will continue the chapter. Thank you.